Ozzy, you know.
Can we talk about you being crazy?
I'm not crazy. I'd love someone to be in Ozzy's head for a day. You would run down my ass in like 4 seconds. You'd find the nearest escape route. You'd you'd take a laxative. Get me out of here. Because I'm mad. Because of the thing with that bat, when I bit the head off that bat and so, which I didn't know was a bat at the time. I thought it was one of those rubber toy things, but as soon as I crunched the head, I then realised, oh my God, what have I done, you know? I remember one night, distinctly remember one night, somebody threw this frog on stage, and it was the biggest frog I've ever saw, and it landed on its back, and I thought, my God, I've taken this too far, someone's throwing a baby on the stage. Well, I always write ballads. I mean, this misconception they have of me of sitting there writing devil music all day long, it's such a load of crap, you know. I live for rock and roll. It's like my religion, and my law. It's all I live for.
Osbourne, man, I've been waiting years to meet you, man. I love you, man.
Mr. Osbourne, it's because of you I'm attracted to older men.
All right. When Ozzy Osbourne wakes up, everyone, oh, he's awake to her. We had a rock and roll riot at the gig at Meadowlands last night. It was fabulous.
I heard about that. It's like 6 figures worth of damage or something.
$80,000 worth. Rock and roll!
Do you have to pay for that?
Yeah! So what, man? Rock and roll is here to stay, and you ain't gonna stop it, man. I can't do this killer tour, as I call them, like 14 months on the road anymore. And being sober on a bus is like totally different than being drunk on a bus. I'm not only a rock and roll performer, I'm a parent, I'm a husband. Being a parent is harder than being a rock and roll on the road. I mean, because it's like any second, like your kid will run through with a 6-inch nail stick through his skin in his head going, Daddy, I just got hit with a 4x2, and you know, it's like, what? Before we were all this lunatic, drunken, drug addict wrecks, but it's like, now we just learn that we're not drug addict wrecks anymore. I can honestly say all the bad things that ever happened to me were directly attributed to drugs and alcohol. I mean, I would never urinate up the alley while it's 9 o'clock in the morning, dressed in a woman's evening dress, sober. I'm just grateful to be alive, to have an audience, and to be Ozzy.